All right, so today I'm going to be reviewing some product that I got on Amazon for free. Over here we have the HD magnetic camera. What I liked about this product was that it was easy to hide. It also comes with a clip as well as a magnet, so you can either attach it to something or attach it to your shirt in the event that you're doing like a bike ride or going on a walk or something for some personal security. It's also compatible with Android chargers, so I like that as well. It does have a SD card slot and offers black and white night vision. The con of this product, I believe, is that it has a very short battery lifespan of only 45 minutes. If you want to increase the lifespan and you have somewhere nearby with an outlet, the only thing I don't like about that is that it would make it easier to spot. As you can see, it's very tiny as it is, so if you are only going somewhere for a very short while, maybe it'll work better for you.